Justice Olukayode Ariwoola has been sworn in as the acting Chief Justice of Nigeria following the resignation of Justice Ibrahim Tanko Muhammad on health grounds. President Muhammadu Buhari performed the honors during a brief ceremony at the council chambers of the State House in Abuja. Kende Amodu reports.
The nation woke up to reports on Monday morning that Justice Tanko Muhammad had resigned from his position as Chief Justice of Nigeria on health grounds. After some initial doubts, the former CJN Special Assistant on Media, Ahuraka Issa, confirmed the development. The mantle has fallen swiftly on Justice Olukayode Ariwoola, who is the next most senior judge. Justice Ariwoola was later sworn in the afternoon as acting Chief Justice of Nigeria by President Muhammadu Buhari, who applauded the Nigerian judiciary under the leadership of the former CJN.
CJN Tanko dealt firmly with the issue of reckless and indiscriminate grant of ex parte orders that was assuming serious dimensions. History will be kind to Justice Tanko Muhammad for his modest contributions to Nigeria's judiciary, the strengthening of our democracy, and national development.
He also hints of the challenges ahead.
Our nation is approaching a critical general election in 2023. The judiciary must not do anything to fail the ordinary people of Nigeria, which may make them lose confidence in the judiciary.
The new acting Chief Justice is aware of the huge responsibilities he has to bear.
What Nigerians expect from me is to comply, preserve and abide and protect the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
But he is quick to dismiss speculations that the former Chief Justice of Nigeria resigned because of controversy in the judiciary.
It was an internal memo of the court. It was not a petition. It was not a letter. It was addressed by the brother justices of the Chief Justice and presented to him, his lordship, directly. There were issues to be resolved amongst justices. Yeah, we've started resolving it.
Justice Ariwoola was born on August 22, 1958, and was appointed a Justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria in 2011. He was a Justice of the Court of Appeal between 2005 and 2011, after having elevated from the State High Court of Oyo State. Justice Ariwoola was first appointed a Judge of Superior Court of Record in Oyo State in 1992 from private legal practice. Before his elevation to the Supreme Court, he served as Justice of the Court of Appeal in Kaduna, Enugu, and Lagos divisions. From State House, Abuja, Kende Amodu, Trust TV News.
Now, following the resignation of Justice Tanko Muhammad as Chief Justice of Nigeria and the swearing in of Justice Olukayode Ariwoola as the new CJN, Trust TV brings you a profile of the two legal luminaries as one bows out and the other takes over.
Ibrahim Tanko Muhammad, CFR, until his resignation due to ill health, was a Nigerian jurist who served as a Justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria since 2005 and the Chief Justice of Nigeria from 2019 until 2022. He was formerly a Justice of the Nigerian Court of Appeal. Justice Tanko was born on the 31st of December 1953 at Doguwa, a local government area in Bauchi State, northwest Nigeria. He attended government secondary school Azare, where he obtained the West African School Certificate in 1973 before proceeding to Ahmadu Bello University, where he received an LLB degree in Islamic law in 1980. He later obtained an LLM degree and a PhD in law from the same university in 1985 and 1998 respectively. Tanko began his career in 1982 after he was called to bar in 1981, the same year he graduated from the Nigerian Law School. In 1989, he was appointed Chief Magistrate of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, a position he held until 1991 when he became a judge at the Bauchi State Sharia Court of Appeal. He served in that capacity for 2 years before he was appointed to the bench of the Nigerian Court of Appeal as justice in 1993. He held this position for 13 years before he was appointed to the bench of the Supreme Court of Nigeria in 2006, but was sworn in on the 7th of January 2007. On Thursday, 11 July 2019, Tanko Muhammad was nominated by President Muhammadu Buhari as substantive Chief Justice of Nigeria. This was barely 24 hours after National Judicial Council recommended him to the President. On Sunday, 26 June 2022, Tanko resigned as the Chief Justice of Nigeria, citing ill health as a reason for his decision. Prior to his resignation, his two sons, Ibrahim Tanko, emerged as APC's Bauchi North Senatorial District candidate, while Sani Ibrahim won the Shira Federal constituency under the platform of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). The influence of their father was said to have played a significant role in their emergence as their party candidates. Justice Olukayode Ariwola was appointed a Justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria in 2011. He was a Justice of the Court of Appeal between 2005 and 2011 after his elevation from the High Court of Oyo State. He was first appointed a Judge of Superior Court of Record in Oyo State in 1992 from private legal practice. He studied law at the University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, and bagged his Bachelor of Laws degree with honors in July 1980. In July 1981, Ariwola was called to bar and got enrolled at the Supreme Court of Nigeria as a solicitor and advocate thereafter. Ariwola was a State Counsel on National Youth Service at the Ministry of Justice, Akure, Ondo State, and later as legal officer in the Ministry of Justice of his home state, Oyo State, until 1988. He voluntarily left the official bar of the State Civil Service for private practice. He worked as a counsel in chambers of Chief Ladosu Ladapo, San, between October 1988 and July 1989, when he established Olukayode Ariwola & Co., a firm of legal practitioners and consultants in Oyo Town in August 1989, from where he was appointed in November 1992 as a judge of Oyo State Judiciary. He served on the election tribunals in Zamfara and Enugu States in 1999, as well as on election appeal courts in Port Harcourt, Enugu, Benin, Yola, and Ilorin at various times. Before his elevation to the Supreme Court, he served as Justice of Court of Appeal in Kaduna, Enugu, and Lagos divisions. He is also a Fellow of International Dispute Resolution Institute, having been inducted in Dubai in 2014.